parent Alphabet's stock slides as cloud revenue disappoints. Google parent Alphabet, GUGL, reported fourth-quarter earnings that topped analysts' estimates, but its cloud revenue came in short, sending shares lower in extended trading Tuesday.
Alphabet's future is bright, despite earnings miss. Brent Thill, Jefferies software and internet research tech sector leader, reacts to Google parent Alphabet's fourth-quarter earnings and capital expenditure plan. He speaks on Bloomberg The Close.
How Alphabet stock has historically performed post-earnings. Alphabet's GOOG fourth-quarter earnings results are due after the market close on Wednesday, with analysts overwhelmingly positive on the stock. Yahoo Finance Markets and data editor Jared Blickary joins Catalyst's anchors Shauna Smith and Madison Mills to break down how Alphabet shares have historically fared post-earnings.
AMD's Q4 revenue hits $7.66 billion, up 24%, but stock falls. Advanced Micro Devices reported revenue of $7.658 billion for the fourth quarter, up 24% from a year ago.
Earnings alert. AMD Inc., AMD, ticked lower despite reporting record fourth-quarter revenue and gross margins. George Tissalis joins Caroline Woods to break down the excitement that initially drove the stock higher and why it can't escape recent consolidation.
AMD beats on Q4 results. CEO Lisa Su calls 2024 transformative year. CNBC's Christina Partsinavelos talks AMD earnings.
S&P 500 gains and losses today. Palantir stock pops as results show AI strength. Major U.S. equities indexes moved higher on Tuesday as investors weighed the impact of the latest tariff developments, including one-month delays to tariffs on imports on Mexico and Canada, as well as immediate retaliation from China.
Palantir Q4. Nvidia moment is here, but something's not right. Downgrade. Palantir Technologies Inc. delivered a blowout quarter with 36% YoY growth, but real operating income fell due to stock appreciation rights. Despite strong revenue growth and guidance, Palantir's valuation isn't justified given the significant stock compensation diluting real earnings. Revised DCF analysis yields a target price of $102, suggesting Palantir is fairly valued, but doesn't deserve an Nvidia-like premium.
Why Palantir is skyrocketing today. Shares of Palantir, PLTR 23.99%, were flying higher on Tuesday. They gained 22.8% as of 3:40 p.m.
Investor deadline next week. Robbins, Rudman, and Dowd, LLP, announces that Enphase Energy, Inc. investors with substantial losses have opportunity to lead class action lawsuit, ENPH San Diego, February 4, 2025. Globe Newswire. The law firm of Robbins, Rudman, and Dowd, LLP, announces that purchasers or acquirers of Enphase Energy, Inc., NASDAQ ENPH, common stock between April 25, 2023 and October 22, 2024, inclusive, the class period, have until Tuesday, February 11, 2025 to seek a point.
Earnings alert. Google, ENPH, CMG Mag, 7 earnings continue as Alphabet, GOOG, sells off after hours. The company's cloud services revenue did not meet expectations, despite more than doubling year-over-year.
Enphase calls for better times ahead, but Europe is still a worry for solar power company. Wall Street was keeping a close and cautious eye on Enphase outlook ahead of Tuesday's numbers, due to competition in U.S. and continued softness in the EU.
EA's December quarter was weak, as Dragon Age and soccer missed forecasts. Electronic Arts reported weak earnings today for the holiday quarter, with results in line with the poor quarter that EA pre-announced.
Lost money on Electronic Arts Inc.? EA? You may have been affected by fraud. Contact Levi and Korsinski, New York, New York, ACSS Newswire, February 4, 2025. Levi and Korsinski notifies investors that it has commenced an investigation of Electronic Arts Inc., Electronic Arts Inc., NASDAQ UEA, concerning possible violations of federal securities laws. On January 22, 2025, EA issued a press release pre-announcing their preliminary Q3 FY25 results and announcing a guide down from the company's prior
EA forecasts fourth-quarter bookings below estimates on weak gamer spending. Electronic Arts forecast fourth-quarter bookings below Wall Street expectations on Tuesday, as the video game publisher grapples with a slowdown in spending at its popular soccer franchise.